Check, 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 check. Let me see if this thing. One tree, one tree, one tree. Bring this thing over here, so. The people at laptop are doing it, you know. Me say, all right. You can't hear me? Well, on there, but me don't know. See they are doing about this have a tricky, you know. Mm. Check, check, check. Can you hear me? You know, me come off of my desktop and go on for my laptop, see? So, just give me a second to set up this thing here for me. Because I never use this for me. Yeah, all right. This, just give me 1 second, man. I just set up something, you know? So it's pay for me. I set up that something here on the laptop, yeah, you know. Somebody make a call and make we test that something, yeah, cause let me see if me can hear the call of them and the call of them can hear me. So somebody call the 585 number there for me. Go in on my buyer and call the 585 number. Remember, different setup this. Different setup this. Call a number there. Somebody go in that buyer and call the 585 number for me. Somebody go in on my buyer and call the 585 number for me. Somebody in the US or Canada go in at in my buyer and call the 585 number for me. I want to make sure that I can hear the callers and the callers can hear me. I would test it.
Hello?
Yeah.
I can hear you, but it sounds distorted, like choppy.
Hear me, but it sound distorted and choppy.
Yes.
Uh, that because
I'm here. It
eh?
sounds a little bit clearer now. It sounds clearer now.
It sound clear now when it look like when I come up here. Say, all right, well, I can pull up this thing. All right, it sound better now.
Better now. Yes.
All right, then. Okay. So
Uh,
when you say better, it sound good enough for all the
yes. Yes.
conversation.
Yes. It's clearer now.
All right, well,
It's not popping up anymore.
okay, I'm just bring up your thing too. So, yeah, man, may I hear you better to one thing. All right, you good?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. Yes.
All right, are you eat dinner already?
Long time.
What you eat? What you eat for dinner today?
Honestly, I had some pepper steaks with vegetables because I'm trying to eat a lot healthier these days.
Steak with vegetables, so you leave out the starch and them something they don't.
Yes, all the carbs, all the sugar. I'm trying to forget that.
Okay. All right, let me see. Let me make sure say them my ear. When I hear the caller, I just want to make sure say them my ear you. Yeah.
Yeah, man, no problem.
All right. People, when I hear the caller, them say yes, them I hear you. Cause say Simone say she a hear you, and Simone have the cheapest device out there, you know.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
All
yeah,
right.
man, man, a phone there where they name the fridge.
Okay.
Yeah,
Really?
yeah, man, that Simone have. Yeah, Simone, she in the chat. That she have a long time Nokia.
Oh, Lord. I
Yeah,
saw you go. We have to
yeah,
work with what we have until we get what
yeah,
we want.
she still at work with the Nokia them. All right, big up yourself here. Thanks for calling it. I make with
All
it.
right. Have a great evening, Raga.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
But someone say you're bright and I'm a razor my arms. Hey, yeah, and somebody a defend the thing and end up go kill themselves. Yeah. Hello?
Hello, it's me calling back.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
We're
me.
going to call back. So, yeah, man, no jog up in the laptop here and things, so we're going to see what I go and talk to you now. Eh?
So I was gonna say, married 3 year now. I've one baby,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Think everything I go good. Live with husband until like him start move sideways. Him stop work, but me still at work. I'm a good. Me help him, right? Me help him. That's one thing with me. Is a trying girl and me help him.
Right.
So you don't know say him tell me say me need to come out. Me and the baby need to find somewhere to go. I come in there pay bills. And me I buy this, buy that. And me and the baby need to come out.
Milan, how old is the baby?
Months old. And me
Hmm?
and the child need to come out.
The baby is months old.
9 months old.
And him say, and are you and him now work and are you pay the bills and him say you and the baby need to come out?
Me and the baby must come out. Because little did I know, me I go come out and in family them they don't like me from morning. So I them I influence him for say, make the girl go on. Right? And then we take care of bills and take care of that and take care of this. Anyways, my daddy, him not tell me straight, you know. Him not come out straight and just tell me.
Right.
Till one day me and him in there over foolishness. He start flinging sitting them and going like him mad. I mash up the place, I thump up the wall, I go on. You need to come out. You need for this, you need for that. So I say, all right, now worry yourself, boss. So I call him mother, because I never want to get no police involved, because you know, I call police. But until I already did in some little problem before, I now try to add to it, so I now call police, right?
Right.
I call him mother. You know what the mother do? You who just and tell me, oh, Miss Lady, she block me. Block me. Block me. And then tell the rest of, yeah, tell the rest of our children, them say, them not for deal with me, them not for chat to me. And that's how everybody start block me, and I go on. I'm going to do them people, are not, you know. Anyways, I realize, say, you know what, yeah, my call me every minute. He want to see him, baby. He want to see him, baby. He want to see him, baby.
No. You skip out something this way, you know. You say
Hmm?
So when you call the mother and the mother block you and then she tell the rest of her relative them for block you and thing, that means say you left and gone then. You need to
Of
confirm that
course,
part.
me left and me
All
pick
right.
up my foot and gone with my child.
You move out. So how long now you move out?
We move out, call it from August, September. No, from before that actually.
Yeah,
From in a July. So July, August, and September. I've not been living there.
right. And him know where you live?
No, him don't know.
Okay. So from when you move out, him see the picnic from you move out?
No, no,
So
because him don't call. Him don't call because him say him done with me and him done and him no want this and him no want be a part of nothing and him no want this. I say, all right, boss, do your thing. Do your thing.
get to the part where him not calling off to see the baby.
All of
S-
a sudden, no, him
No,
a
hold
call to
on,
see the
no, hold
baby.
on, hold on, hold on, hold on. And I hope you appreciate this question I'm asking because I'm going to jump on your case. It's just a logical question for ask at this point.
Mm-hmm.
Given that there are reasons for people's actions, right? And given that
Mm-hmm.
his actions are extreme, he might throw him baby mother with a months old baby. And you said the whole family
Mm-hmm.
don't like you. Right away, there, so we all know that there is something going on will lead them for what if we were to ask them him why him throw you out and them why them not like you, what them would I say?
They would say they don't like me because oh no, not that, none of that. Back up, back up. Cause my auntie did come over here and she did ask the question. Say me couldn't not like her because she's a very lovable, kind person. I could have was so. Oh no, no say we not like her. Nobody not say that. No say we not like her. So it's like what the answers to why them not like me. Me no know, but me know why him have to do what him do because. So them are going to hold big stick over my head and give him money. And money I feel downfall, you know. Because them always a promise to take care of him. So that's why, but to me in the picture, them never help him certain way. Them not help him certain way once me in the picture. Because them feel to me I'm going to benefit from the help where them a help him. You understand me?
Hold on,
But
hold
as
on.
to,
So hold on.
hmm?
Are you telling me that your baby father sure you vex with you and sure you and the 12 months old picnic out of the house because him family are mine him and the family
Yeah.
don't want the money. Well, I not the family don't want the money where them I use mine him for go to you so they make fling you out and the baby. You are telling me say that is the reason I'm fling you out?
Yes, that may I tell you. Let me tell you what the next reason to why I think it look like, or based on what me I hear, because you know people talk. Me I hear say, and then me him did for married too.
Say no, we are get the tour we are come to bump you know. I never you him did for
I
married
never
to.
meet him to married too. No, then they want to keep the marriage in a certain family. Because same other relative married somebody in a one different family where them want to keep the link with that family there. So then they want all of the lady son them married to all of the woman the daughter. You understand? All of woman daughter over the yard they, or over the specific place. They coming from Jamaica, that them they want. But and then marriage for help for marriage sake, you know, like my marriage is real. I never them type of marriage that they want him do, you know. To him a citizen, then just want him married to bust them woman there. And not necessarily say the woman has stay with them, you know. Now they must go find another way where more costly. So
Lad,
I
so
eat them
him
a
it's
carry
a
for the
well lad,
thing.
it's a him did for married a certain woman from a certain family and then for bring her up here.
Right, so that them the one because the other relative them see are married to somebody else in a film family and then bring them up here. So that them did I try contain that.
Him forget so upset with you that him say you and the baby have to come
Him
out of
not
the
have a
house.
mind I own, you know. Him not have a mind I own. So anything in people them tell him to do, him a go do it. Him don't have a mind I own. Them control him to the point where anything them tell him to do,
Yeah.
him do. Him do. So him not have a mind of him own. Him don't have a mind of him own.
It still sound extreme. Me more than understand if.
Me say me sit
Hold
down
on,
and think
hold on,
about
hold
it
on,
twice.
hold
One
on,
of
hold
him
on.
friend.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
go on. What you say?
One of him friend when me good with, one of him friend when me normally move good with, whisper to me and tell me, say, oh, the people them write me name in a shoes. Write me name in a shoes or whatever that mean. Me don't know what that mean. But when you must say to me, I say, you know, say, honestly, me don't know what me don't understand what you are trying to say. And you must say, you can't really talk to me more about it because you know want the people they find out. Because people them are chang heavy people. Me say chang heavy people. What you talk about? You understand? So me never get where my trying to say. Then him move on to tell me say, and the reason why my husband a behave the way I behave, him can't say much, but because him is a sacrifice. Me say him is a sacrifice. What? Me say then I want me could have possibly get myself. I want me get myself in a. I want me really go get myself in a. Eh?
No,
I'm gonna really get myself
hold on. I
into.
don't know if anything goes so, but me in the world long enough to know about many of them situations where people believe in a certain things and work certain things and designate certain people for certain things. And if you're not in a certain things with them not like you, or if you block them from do certain things where them things say them things where them a do say them for do, then or whatever. So I hold on, is this an uptown family or what
I
kind of
don't know uptown family.
okay
I not you know now no something come to something.
no. Listen to me now. I said it,
Now
I'm
no
not married. Well, you said, nah, no, something come to something. Duh.
yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
now no something come to something. So ghetto are the ghetto. Like
Yeah.
how me come from ghetto are the ghetto. I just try and go good school and do what me for do in a life I reach where me I go. You understand?
Because sometimes, you have some Jamaican families who are caught up in this type of colonial thing about, who is suitable for what families. And sometimes you have families want economic alliances, for make money. And, them look at something that somebody just want to rule out that. So since you rule out that now, how long now you and Mr. Man attack?
Any matter actually 4 years. I'm married 3. I'm married him bring major argument to me, Cause let me tell you, when me just come up, me I be very honest with you. From a longer time, I never did a swing for the team of men. I was never swinging for men, right? From
Okay.
a longer time. So when
No,
me
hold on,
meet
hold on.
him,
So for a longer time and whatever, just woman you did do it, right?
just woman, I'm there by myself.
Hold on. But them did not say I just woman you used to do it.
Yes, them know.
Oh, hold on now. Tell me something now.
Mm-hmm.
And talk it truth with God love. Them go church
Of course.
regularly, them believe in God and love go church and them something like that.
And that me I go tell you no. So since me move come up here, me change my life, of course, Start going my look at church and so. And when the baby christening and then if you come my church, them I go say, them can't come because the church where me choose to go is a cult. But I like church them in our world. Me go want apostolic church. And them I go tell me say the church where me choose to go is a cult. So them can't come. I say, oh, well, whether they can come or not, the child is christening. Another church, yeah.
Them go.
Hmm?
What now tell me the road on it. Now, what's the name of the church? What denomination church them go?
I don't know, because I don't see them go to no church. More
Okay.
than I see one of them with masonry.
But what I know. So they knew that before you and him there, you were a lesbian. They know that.
Yeah.
All right. So how them come to know that? Him tell them?
Because no, they knew me from before. They knew me. Like, when I say knew me, when I just come here, them they know me. Because them used to work the same place them when me work.
Them
So they
used
knew me and they knew my partner at the time. They knew.
to see it
They
thing a
knew.
flesh out, So before you and him there,
Mm-hmm.
them did know you. And them didn't know the woman who you did there with. Because you and them
Yeah,
were
no know me to talk to, you know. Just know me in terms of see me at work, see me. Not earnings, not talking, just see me. You know what I mean? Just see me. I
say
work in I same environment and stuff.
and them know say before I just woman you did there with and them did not know the woman who you did there with, right?
Right,
All
right.
right. What was their attitude towards you then?
My attitude toward them, for them attitude towards me then was that, oh, seeing you, no man to her yet. Them a, ooh, which one of them can first for broke that barrier there?
We
Say that again, you break up.
explain the part where you say when them know say you did there with woman and they know you before you there with him. What I'm asking, what was their where you said their approach to you was what?
Their approach was, oh, new meat on the block. All right. To claim to she stay so, all right, we will see. We see which man can get her. Because since me did live which part me live, I have never, my husband are the first man me go actually take in in a like 10, 15 years. 10,
Okay.
15 years. Coming on the 30s, yep.
So what you say is that so the other people them who did that look at some other man in our family then.
Right.
And hold on, so and them upfront the draft for you?
No, them try and that little psych cause me and my husband used to par, you know. We did just a friend. We
Mm-hmm.
used to par, so we used to go party. Me we sleep over. All of them little sitting there. But I know like me alone a sleep over. Like me and a bag away. When we too drunk for drive, go home, we just crash a theme yard and we just sleep and get up, get ready, go work and that. You understand?
Right. So
Right.
when you say them did one like say, all right then, since she not take man, I mean want be the first man for put it on pan her, whatever. So but them did oppose to you being gay before.
No man, it never bother them because them did all ask if me can do 3 ways and one bag of something and them look at something there.
Okay. So you and him confident now.
The friendship, my daddy and I was like helping. So him did I go through a rough time at the time with who he was with.
Yeah,
And then my relationship start dwindle down and we start draw closer together because as I said, we were good friends. We
right.
start draw closer together till one night we go out and me not like we just have a draw for him. Not like, you know, we
Hold
just
on,
draw
hold
for him
on.
and in hope say,
Hold on. Sit up a story I come to bump you know. When you say and you draft him, and you move to him, no.
me move to him. But guess what? When me move to him, you know, in my mind, me just I move to him because I how me feel. Right? And I move to him for nothing serious. You get me? But just say I move to him because I say, the vibes is right and it's nice. But just I move to you right now, quick and fast. And then, you know,
And
tomorrow
so
you're
hold
your
on,
friend
so
again.
the
Me see
night
you.
the night
Now
they
you're
did
still
hold
friends.
on, hold on. So that night they did just feel nice and thing and you know him long time and whatever. You know, sir, boy, I would have take one off for him in a night, you don't?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then now when you go so boom and move to him and you move to him and things. So throughout the whole thing, like when you move to him, are you did really in charge and I run the thing?
Yes, I did just me because to be honest, he never expect that from me. And to be honest, he is a very shy kind of person, you know.
And then now, I don't know how you feel now you're still in but me I listen to you, I mean I make no assumption about you, but you sound like it sound like you have game and you know if you do your thing. Would it be accurate if me say right you know you're sort out turn up because you know for boom it off, even though a woman you did there with the whole time and thing. Would that be an accurate statement from me?
It's very accurate because my sex life is very active and nice. Very nice.
Me can
Very active and nice.
me can ask you a straight up question.
Yes.
And don't use no graphic, in your response. You can just answer it, but nobody bit, no use nothing raw. Um,
Mm-hmm.
if you did they with woman for about 15 years or so, or how long or so. And then him was the first one and thing like that. How is it you
Mm.
know how to boom off him John so good and all them thing? How is it you were so good with him? How is it?
Because the toys them that we use, the
Toys?
toys that we use, the stores that we went to, they like them would have some little, what do you call it, like costume parties when would I go with some friends to Las Vegas, Louisiana, some of them place there. So I've learned a lot. I have
I
learned
mean,
a
so when
lot,
he did
lot,
that
lot.
when he did that with woman, you only use toys and thing and all them something there.
Oh yes.
So
Oh
well on there,
yes.
and this going sound like one ignorant question. So like me know say lesbian use strap on, strap on fake instrument and so when them something that go on like all a woman will have on a strap on fake penis and then next woman can go on it and boom it off to and them to wind up on it and thing and helicopter on it and them something there.
Yeah, them have the one that we go up and down. Like it actually, like it when it attached to you, you press one button and it move up and down, and it can go any speed, any intensity, and it just a thump and along so. Mm?
Serious. I want to try it out, Mister. You serious?
I'm very serious.
All right. So
I'm very serious. Yeah.
So basically, since you did in another world and whatever, and them have the strap on and you have the up and down and this and that and whatever, that mean you didn't know the something them and things. So when you put it upon him that night, and you move to him and you say him shy and thing and whatever. When you put it upon him good and whatever, I'm not gonna keep it real. You probably I'll give him a good head as to or something, right? But when you put it
Oh
upon
my
him,
gosh.
what? You
Cause
get
me not have no gag reflex. Me not have no throat back. Me not have
cheese
it.
and pigs. What you say you don't have no gag
So you know,
reflex?
like people brush their teeth with the toothbrush, and when you go too far, them go. Me don't go.
You not
Me
go
don't go so.
cause it can go
Me not go
way back in your throat, no.
way back.
So that means that when you give me all that head as the night down, it go way it mash up your head, it not must mash up your head. Eh?
Well, me a wife now, so obviously do something.
So after you do that now, and you remember, no, let's keep it real now. You are come from
Yeah.
a world where you have lesbians who are femme and you have lesbians who are butch, right? And things. So
Yes.
you know what it means to be dominant and control and run the thing, right? And
Yes.
and then when you put it on pan him, because you say you move to him, and you put it on pan him, and thing like that and whatever. And then now after you put it upon him, my best guess is he was hooked. Him don't even know how I reach him, though.
True. Because from that, me could go home. Me could go back at my apartment.
Wait, explain.
Because every night he want me sleep with him. Every night, as soon as me take him, me say, no, man, me have to go home. Remember, say, he said, no, man, you know, have to go. All right, go on and come back. All right, me drop you off and come back. All right, me keep your vehicle. You go on and come back. All them look at something there. You
Yeah,
know?
yeah. So I'm basically, you say him shy, you look like him know every two, know the road code certain way. Am I correct?
Very correct.
So now, talk it through. So you did have him left and seal then.
Yes.
Him
Yes.
head did gone then, don't it?
Yes.
All right. You and him throughout the years when him one on a day or whatever, on have a look at argument and all them something there ups and down and thing like just like any other relationship.
Yeah, but to be honest, we argument them need to be like a foolishness. When I say we bond, it's like you not see him and don't see me. We are more than just the relationship. Remember, we are friends first, you know. Our friendship was so solid.
Yeah,
You get what me I say?
yeah,
Solid friendship. And then now, we good, we did good. Rent apartment for ourselves together, cause him did decide, say, yo, I'm a left him woman because she not sure about. She gone left him all long too, because she did have another man. And him find out, so he must say, you know, I better me leg off of she. And my relationship be frizzle out and the girl he moved gone somewhere else with somebody else. And it's just me and him literally. So we rent to own place together and did it together. Everything was good. Man cook. You know, we take turns. And we cook when me gonna work late, and we cook and pick me up. All of them look at something there. Me wash, cook, clean. Me do my thing. You understand? I'm a good person when it comes to taking care of my business certain way. You understand? If him
Right.
say him $10 short, me say, all right, no worry yourself, me
You
got
have
it.
him. You
It
got
means,
him. Yeah.
yeah. So I just saw it in these set. You get me?
Yeah. So tell me something, Ado. Um, him ever you ever reach a point where you see a woman who you like or an ex woman who you like or somebody else who you like or whatever?
Yeah, no, to be honest, me have one,
No, I
me have
appreciate
one
you are telling me
Me
truth,
have
you know?
one
Yeah.
good. Yeah, me have one good friend. She was my friend even when I was with a girl, cause we are all circle of friends. Cause we go to a girls trip and yeah, all of them something there.
Yeah.
And you know, one year in the one buy a car, and the car was all the way in a different city. And I said, I know someone that lives in that city. We could go stay with her for the night and then go leave and buy the car and whatever, cause the drive would have been 8 hours. And
Right.
him say, cool, we can do that. I'm call her up and say, hey, yo, me and my husband are going to come out. She say, yeah, man, no problem. She and her girlfriend live there. She say, yeah, man, no problem. Me, my room and go over the kids' them room. And, we have enough space. We're good, man. I'm going to say, all right, cool. We roll in, she cook, give her everything. She and her girlfriend are, but then in the night, when me and my husband are asleep, she always have a crush for me, I'm not going to lie. She would she come in the room while we are asleep and wake me up and say, if long more want the opportunity for get you. So me I say, girl, remember say me married, like me not do them something there again.
Well,
And
when
she
she
a
talk
say,
to you about that, your husband never did that hear her.
no, I'm man asleep beside me. I'm asleep. So she would have usually before, to be honest, she would have called me with her freaky self and say, girl, me a bed, look here, whoa, you come up pum fat and them something there. And he would
Yeah.
have said, who that? I would have shown him before and I would have said, your friend them or something else. You understand? But
Right,
he never
right.
go past that because he knew that, hey, this was the world I was in before. You understand?
Right.
So my friend them and my friend them, I'm not gonna just drop them like a bomb. It's just that them know say certain things, but just
Yeah.
not gonna do.
Yeah.
But she just that girl that me not like, she daring bad and a long time she a try out for me for true. So when she come in at the room the night and everything, she just take up me say, girl, remember I say I'm married, whatever. And she start kiss me. Then by the time him to go wake up, she just dry down him pants and start deal with him headway. Yeah. So
Liar. Liar.
no. Me I tell you,
Well,
if
and
she want me bad enough, she would there with him too.
no. Me know enough woman who want woman and then, work it out in threesome so the man agree just forget the woman. So what you are say when she
Yeah.
moved to you and whatever, by the time him for wake up, she goes a woman pull on fin pants and start give him a headers. Well, and a header she a
Yes.
give him, a header she did a give him.
Mm-hmm.
And wait,
Oh yeah.
the tree on the end up and do something in the room now. Right?
The tree away. I never want left the city, me I tell you. Never want left. All the day after we buy the car, him say, come and stay next night. I'm say, no man, you love it too much. We are go home. Boy. Me not hear you.
Check. You hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you now.
No, let me say a real thing you talk.
Yeah.
So hold on, so when you run the tree some the night there and then every other night when you do run the trees even after the car buy. Things are not going with them.
Yes. Until the girl now start say, oh, every night me notice she get up gone over fear room. I want to over here do. So she start in the too, 'cause my husband smoke. So she come and start smoke with him. And start making relax a little bit. Because everybody knows saying shy. We see saying shy. So we start making relax a little bit. I would smoke and we drink until him feel nice. And then the tree we just go in on him.
The tree
See
I
if
wanna
him can manage.
the tree I
Me
wanna
say
go.
the 3 away. Me, my friend, and fear woman. Because after him start get drunk, you know, him start get very bold, you know. I talk about things. Him a mash up, him can do this and what him can do. I'm going to say, all right. We're going to see. We shall see.
So here's my question. Him ever get insecure about you and the woman there or anybody else or whatever?
No. Same thing is him insecure about me. And like if our next man would I get the opportunity to get what him get.
We reach a
Not about the
point.
woman them.
Hold on,
Him
but
not insecure about the woman them.
so how him reach a point though where after you married, you breed, you have picnic, and the baby months old, and then now him a go get so mad at you and upset at you that him run you and the picnic out. After him into you so much and whatever. That part there, me not get that part the fully yet, you
Look
know, and me
here.
can't, what?
Me I tell you, say me, right as so right now, not even understand that part there. But today in no, last night, he called me and asked me wish for me there because him have something to talk to me about. I say wish for me there, where you have to talk to me about where you need to know when me there, just talk. And him I say like he's sorry and in a mean, you know what come over him and in one bag of something, tears, crocodile tears, and he missing family, crocodile tears because when he look on it, all our family they are for them they are for them yard with for them woman not for them but him alone lie down run a feed yard. I say, well, you should have think about that before, but me not lie, you see to me love man, you see. Me love him. God know, me not tell no lie.
Me,
Me love him.
you love him.
Yes, that me mean. Me love
Okay,
him. To all me
okay.
love him, me not lie. As him say Ray, me say I meet me at Walmart and come pick me up. Yeah, meet me and come pick me up. And me come with the baby. And me not telling a lie. Last night party keep
So you and him do it last night, whole night, when I put the baby
it,
one side on
me,
a straight shellings, though.
me said the party
So so
kept.
so what is the status now between you and him?
Now him want me to come back. And me I tell him say, well, you have to go shape up a little bit. There are certain things you have to go literally do. You have to go put on your foot. You can't make because of what your family has said about me or the fact that them not like me or with me, you run me or decide say you're gonna stand with them. And me and the baby are your family. So you have to go make that bold choice that even if it means that them not gonna help you with nothing. Because you're one man, you have to can stand up by your own. But in my youngest, so him kind of have this little spoil thing about him.
You in the chat talk about next caller. If you want a next caller, or whatever, leave the chat and go about your business. Go clean your bathroom. Go crochet. Go do something. Go do some gardening. Me no want nobody in the chat to tell me how to run my show. You know if it's one pet peeve Raga have, it's people who come in the chat and not enough upon yourself like I run this. You go from your some man. And enough of who come here and love show off and whatever, on a panty draw door even full. Right? If you don't have difficulty if you close your panty drawer, you have to push down the panty. Don't come and come tell me how to run my show and whatever. Me decide who me talk to so long. At the end, me say anybody do it again, I go and delete you and block you out of this. And me run this, and I uno. When you know a man in our life, or you know a relationship or whatever, you come and say, well, come text it from people and tell people off for this and that. Go clean in the bathroom. Okay. Listen to me, I mean I talk, I mean run this here. Go and talk. Yeah, so what me I say now? So what so no, it's a good point you're making us. So give it what you explain. I tell people all the while, women love money, then love good looking man, then love good sort out, them love somebody who what but the most important thing to women is security.
Oh,
Right?
yeah.
If woman can have fun with one man who just good looking and sort out or whatever. But it's a once relationship coming, a woman, all woman Want to know say the man love them and rate them to the point where he must stand up and defend them and protect them. Even when the whole world are turned against her, she know say, yo, me nah give up for me man, you know, 'cause if I one thing, you know, the whole world are turned against me, he must stand up and defend me. Nobody can't take no stop on me, you know. You understand?
Exactly.
And when
Exactly.
a man loving family, which is good, him have to be man enough for still love him family. And when them cross the line, for say, nah, what you do? I'm a wife that, I'm a baby mother that. Me don't want you say them something about her around me. I mean, I want you disrespect her, them weird or whatever. So you are right. When you say you not run, go back and frighten him night and thing, him have to understand himself and know say him have to go grow up in some way and balance out him thing in
Mm-hmm.
some way so that you can feel say him have your back. But you let me
Yeah,
ask you
man.
though. You say it reach a point where him stop work and you are work and pay all of the bills them.
Yeah.
And you say him get money from him family and likes and whatever cause him a youngest one and thing and whatever,
Mm-hmm.
right? And you say you love
Mm-hmm.
him. And you love him.
Yeah.
But the likes him get from him how old him is? How old him is?
29.
And 29. So a young youth.
Mm-hmm.
So that thing the way I get from him, it sounds to me like him have some growing up for do.
Yep. Accurate.
Right?
Very accurate.
Right? Because him can't have you like yo. You can't be like you're going there and then you go back with the baby and thing and then him have a come back now, come tell you again after him get back used to you and the family has said this. Him tell you say you have to go leave again and all them something. It can't work. So.
Exactly. Can't work. Cannot work. Cannot work.
I,
Can't work.
so how old the baby is now?
9 months.
9 months now.
Mm-hmm.
Nah, man, nah, but why me not really know the fullness of the thing, you know, but him, me kind of vex so him put you out with the baby them way there, yo.
My vex, man. My family not deal with him because of that, man. And my family has somebody where all if you're a madman out the road, they deal with you. My family is a lovable family, you understand? So, me not come from hatred. Me not come from certain things, you understand?
Yeah,
So, for no say, me grow certain way and then come up here and experience certain things. Me feel away, me not gonna lie, me feel away, because me feel like it's not even say my baby father treat me so, my husband treat me so. My best friend, you understand? I'm my best
right,
friend.
right, 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 right,
So
right.
it's like, the friendship now gonna be the same. Cause yeah, we might run in and we'll get back good, but me I tell you, it's gonna take a lot of counseling, a lot of counseling to fix it back.
But you
Because
say
me gonna always have trust issues.
you can
Me gonna
always
always
have
have
trust,
trust
yeah.
issues. Yeah. So it's gonna take a lot of counseling.
So to be clear though,
So
I know nothing you
mhm.
do when make him get insecure with you and say, boy, you clown him or you diss him or you style him or you grounds him out. I know nothing like that.
No, I don't nothing like that because me I tell you say if you no let me tell you on my move, you see from me know man stay no. So you see with the whole tree some and them something there, me can't dep on the phone and him don't know who me I talk to. Before that, him I gonna know who me I talk to. So me never no secret. Him have the code for my phone. Me have the code for his phone. Me
Yeah,
know all of my friend them. Me know all of him friend them. So there's no blurred lines there. If me I go Walmart, he know say a Walmart me I go. If he video call me and say, hey, you done a Walmart, you might clearly say, no, me still in a store. See it here. You understand? So there's no him have no reason to be insecure. None. 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 Him not have no reason to be insecure. But you see, sometimes we have an enemy now we better and don't know, you know.
what you mean? What you mean?
Because when him a cuss me, for example, he would have say, oh, till you go college, you're going like you're smart and going like you're better than people. I say, oh, I'm going like me smart and better than people. Me's a smart girl, so because me's a smart girl, I'm going to use my brain to survive. What you talk about? That's how it's supposed to go. So him good all feel that way. So in their yard now I get no work. And me just a breeze through my work. I get promoted. I do all of them something here. Like me I level up. I left him. You understand? And at that now, when me realize I'm really insecure for sure, I seem like him jealous of me when he would have say, like he would have dropped me at work. He wants to drop me at work. I say, why you want to drop me at work? You think me don't know, say, you must have a doctor man, yeah? I say, doctor man, because me a nurse. I say,
Right,
no,
right, 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 right.
no. I go work for work. Me not go work. If my like tell me, say, yo, hurry up and come back for our work. Me say, I work a 12-hour shift. How me hurry up and come back from a 12-hour shift? I work for someone. I don't work for myself. This is not my business. So I can't just get up and leave when
Right,
you want me to come home. You
right,
understand?
right.
It don't work like that. You know?
No,
If
well,
me are making stay with the baby. Hmm?
yeah,
Go on.
go on. You hear me? What that go? With the baby?
Me I'll make you watch your baby. Me say watch your baby till me come back like how you now work because that's what I save with the cost of daycare and all of this. And people me not like the daycare them a find how them treat babies. So me say here what watch your baby because you don't want the baby go down at Jamaica, right? Watch your baby because my family they are Jamaica, you don't want to go, watch your baby then. How about that? Watch the baby. Him come with all sorts of excuse why him can't do it and why him this and why him that. So that they really make me and him have to really fall out certain way, you know. So me I say, imagine you in a one house where basically your woman a take care of everything and you have one job, which is to watch your baby and you have worry about me hurrying up to come home from work. Which man me have a work? You think me got work for look man?
So you have to go careful of that something, that is a classic insecurity with men, when, you have, sometimes when you hear some woman say, them no want no man when them a do better than them or something like so or whatever. And hype, no for them woman they are hype, What some of them are saying is that there are men, a lot of men out there cannot handle being with a woman who they deem more successful than them. And you find say every time a little disagreement come up or him want him one way, him start throw that in our face. I show you, I show you have your degree or I show you this and that, you think say you can so and so,
Yeah.
and them use it as a like a crutch. And after a while, that becomes unattractive, it becomes tired, and even the men
Mm-hmm.
themselves, not being aware of what is going on psychologically, they end up now, they end up kind of being hyper masculine, and in an
Mm-hmm.
effort to be more man. And sometimes the woman don't even have a problem with it, and thing. But what I'm hearing also from you is that you and him in this thing together, and with all due respect, based on what you tell me, you are work with him more than enough woman out there would I do right now, right?
Me say that, me say, look here, you never pay for me ear, do me nails, do none of that. None of that. And I am still here with you. Which girl in a 2024? Which? Show me her.
Exactly. And at the same time now, him not work, him not get money from him family and thing. You a pay all of the bills, them and them something there, whatever. And you still rate him enough where him a get sort out and whatever. You are a nurse, you work 12-hour shift. Take care of the baby at 2024 right now and give thanks, your
Exactly.
woman a juggle with you and all them something there, whatever. And if a guy a say anything out the road, you don't even look upon that and say, you can't, all right. Me give thanks for that woman that we may have because what she a do for our family, a whole heap of woman who no do that, you understand? And at the same time, go and look a little
Exactly.
work to one thing and see whatever, and the two on the put on the head together and say, babes, me get something, what you think me for hold that job, and then put the baby at daycare, or me for go and hold it till the baby get look up. But that is what, intelligent, sensible people do. I want to work out on a thing together, right? But him sound like him in a look a young boy. Me not this him or nothing,
Oh,
but
yes.
between me and him, he
No, man,
sound,
me get what you're
well,
saying. Yes.
he sound lazy, He sound lazy and
Mm-hmm.
inexperienced. And he sound lazy and spoiled and entitled.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Him
Oh,
so,
yes.
sound,
Oh,
and he
yes.
sound, with all due respect, it all sound like you broke him bad too.
Yeah, me take that part there too. Me not telling a lie. Me take that part there with full 100 for true. For true. Cause I'm there hoping that yo, him a go see me efforts, him a go see. That's why they said that's why me sure my granny said no bill no man. No bill no man. Him fi
Me
come
not join that.
with
Enough man, no,
including
no,
a
no,
rent.
no. You have enough man out there swear by them woman and say, oh, she bill me, you're lucky and whatever. So just so you know. But go on talk, go on talk, though.
Yeah, but you know, so why I don't know. He must go do better. Cause to be honest, my plans coming forward don't include him. You understand when me I say it not include him at all. Me not telling a lie. Me not hide and
What
contract.
that
It
mean?
don't
What that
include
mean?
him.
What that mean? What that mean?
Meaning I'm planning to me go join the army, be a nurse in their army over here in the US, and then I'm gonna move from the state that I'm in now. Me in a Florida now. So me I prefer move go either New York, Michigan, or South Carolina. One of those places. We're conducive to making money. Cause me not gonna tell you a lie. When you're a nurse down Florida enough for people where I try. Florida for people where already have it and I go retire successfully. You understand? Me can manage Florida house
Listen,
prices.
I 100% agree with you. I live in Florida for years. I mean, I make no money down there. When I come to New York, I make money, I make money, I
You
make
make
money, I
money.
make
All
money.
right.
Yeah. Yeah, Florida
All
slow
right.
that way there, But money that Florida,
Slow.
But not for you, for say if you build your thing or whatever thing. So,
Right.
me agree with you this about that one day and thing.
A rich old people place this. Rich old people place. Me not rich, I'm not old. You understand?
Yes.
So it not gonna work out for me. And me kinda can't understand like where he's coming from because at the same time, yeah, your family have a lot to do with how you're progressing in life, Don't forget that cause them grow him away where him so sheltered and in a one box. When would he try to move, would he try to relocate to a different state, he might tell himself to come back. Leave me up there and come back.
When he
Then we help him.
move someplace else, his mother tell him same for do.
Leave me at the place and come back. Our house, we sit down there and say we're going to buy, because the house, Pennsylvania, the house was for 25 grand, but it's a fixer upper. But they're trying to build that state with young people. That's what they're trying to do. So the jobs are there, the pay is matching the job. I'm telling you, and like the housing is less than quarter your income. May I tell you, the housing is very good down there and the house prices are very good. I'm going to find one fixer up. I will go to one agency. I will pay 25 grand. I'm going to tell him, say, here, I'm have the 25 put on. Come, I could go buy the house. And we move down there for a short period of time. Until she start texting me and say, need to come back up. He need to come back to Florida. Make him family help him. Him go far from everybody and nobody can help him with anything or whatever. So me I say, yo, them really blight me your future. My mother never blight my future. So yeah, she always encourage me. Leave the nest, spread your wings, and fly.
You see what you just explained now? No, me can't tell you who are listening now. Them now them are fully understand what you have been dealing with, and the part where you say with the family and whatever. Cause you have some mothers like that, Them not think, Me tell people all the while. One of the greatest thing I hear TD Jakes, the pastor, say, right? TD Jakes said, parents, you worry too much about what you're leaving your children when you need to worry more about what you're leaving in your children, right?
Yeah.
And you see the mother now, and a lot of mothers do this, some mothers do this. Them a think about for them interest and them have a particular love for them picnic where them no want them picnic leave the nest. Them picnic must stay there with
Mm-hmm.
them all the while. Worse, him are the last one, him are the baby are the lot now, and all these things and whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, they are not teaching him how to be a man. They are not
No.
equipping him to go out there and say, you're married now. This is what you must do for your wife and your family. Hold it. Yeah, we have your back and support. But that is very good. What? You have a woman who want to build with you? Buy house with you? This is good. Them not tell him that. The mother think about, make me pick the come down here with me. And then him now, because them not force him to grow up at 29 years old. Them not force him to grow up at 21 him there, whatever, to start learn and whatever and things like that. Him now,
Mm-hmm.
I take the easy way out. Me no want you
Oh yeah.
vex, you know. I want the two on the
Me
work, you
not
know.
vex, man.
But you see, right
You're
now,
talking truth, man. You have
right
to talk
now,
the truth.
right now, him is not a man. And right now,
Yeah.
you is a trying woman with your baby and whatever, and you need a man for juggle with you. You understand? And him now
Mm-hmm.
come through. And when me I hear from you, you know, hear him up the whole time you're talking, I say nothing bad about him, you know.
Because I'm not ear team.
No,
I'm not
you
ear
know, say
team.
nothing bad about him. You know, say nothing like the dirty boy. You know, use a look at adjective or put him down. You know, do nothing like that, right? And basically, you're
Yeah.
at a point now where you say, any of you no start think progressive and move forward. This thing him a go hold you back with him indecisiveness and him not
Oh
push
yeah.
and get out there and whatever and this like that and whatever. So it sounds to me that you're at a point now where and the way him say him need to prove himself before you even think to give him a chance. Not even say you
This
gonna go
what me
back
say
with
right
him.
now.
No, not even say you go back with him, but him need to prove himself through action, not through words and sex. Right? Not through
Exactly.
words and sex. Him need to demonstrate right you know, say him can have your back if the two are not go juggle and go through ups and down and have good times and some rough times and make life together. Him have to go demonstrate that to you unequivocally. If you are going to commit to him and say, okay, we're a team again and we're going to do this together and whatever. Because right now, if your man go throw you out, your husband put you out with your months old baby thing, picnic to and whatever, and no man, him more than in a dog house. Him, you know,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, him have a whole heap of rehabilitation for the right, you know, go get
A
you back
lot,
on that.
lot,
Yeah,
lot.
yeah, but
Exactly.
you see them, I grow and walk, listen.
Yeah, how then grow him? How then grow him for true? How then grow him?
No, me
How
say
then grow
somebody
him?
post and say him a wicked. Him a wicked, you know. Him a wicked, you know.
Him not know
Him
no
is a
better.
nice you. Him don't know no better.
Him don't know no
And
better.
that boy sound,
Psychology. And
yeah,
me used to say what she said too. Me used to say it too.
you
Me I
used
say,
to.
wait there. Yeah,
Mm,
me used to say it too. Come here to the boy, I'm big and what and in me used to class him, man.
mm,
Come here, I said, no man. Not publicly. You understand? Because I'm me have character to a certain extent. So certain things I won't do or say, but I'm just saying. You know, when the things them happen to me and it burn me, I say what a wicked old fart. I me used to cuss and go on, but then me realize like the more him push me away, the closer his family gets. But when me and him good, them no deal with him. Like them no want have nothing to do with him. And he might miss that. He might miss him family. You understand?
mm.
Not hear you.
Many siblings, you know. My sister, I mean.
My what? 5 brothers and 3 sisters.
Him have 3 sister.
Yeah.
And him are the last one out of 9.
Yep. And everybody married and live with them person and have them pick them and I live good.
Him my baby are the lad. So the whole of them take care. You can imagine how him grow. The whole of them are take care of him and him accustomed to having, love and protection and people like him this and I take care of them little brother the whole time. You can imagine how him raised down.
Yep.
Well,
Oh yeah.
again, me no hear film side of the thing, but you have been pretty frank and open and thing, even where, in even in areas where would I say, well, how that you go on with or whatever, and you've been,
But me tell you, me level with him one day, yeah. Me level with him one day, yeah. I say to him,
wait
say,
there, 1 second, 1 second, wait there. Everybody who are watching live right now, make sure someone like the live. Please, just tap your screen and make the art come up, like the live. Also, everybody who are watching this right now, if you're not following me yet, follow me right now. It's a simple thing. Just follow Ragashanti. Everybody who are watching live right now, follow me right now, okay? Please. Right? I'm going to say 479 now. Everybody, if you're not follow me yet, follow me right now. Right? Follow Ragashanti. Yeah. Sorry, now. What you were saying now, please?
oh, I'm
Yeah.
saying that, you know. throughout all of this, really and truly, me nah wish bad for him. Me nah, but him have to go do better. When me ask him the other day, say, hey, what really happened? Because really and truly, what really happened? Before we moved near to where your family there, we were perfectly fine. When we near the nowhere nice city where your family there, we the 8-9 hours away, we were fine. What is the issue now that you move right in your family neighborhood? What the problem? What is it? You understand? What is it? Oh, you're too clean. If you put on one cup there, so you want to come say, take up your cup off of there so you don't make hands sticky. Me say, me too clean? He say, yeah. Me say, all right, what's the other issue you're having? He said the other issue is, me too masculine. Me say, what you mean? Me shape like man? He said, no, not like that. Me say, what you mean? Me manly? What? Me tough? Me what? What is it? What you mean by me masculine? He said, no, like, me masculine because you don't create an environment for me to thrive in my femininity, sir. That is the problem. Because if me have to
Exactly.
do everything, me have to do everything plus that. Which what time me get to be a feminine woman when me have to just a handle business? Huh? I'm just handling business. I'm standing on business. What you mean? What
Well,
is it?
and that is a very important point. And you see, what we're getting in, there's an underlying issue here of nice guy. Say, him not evil person. No, I go beat you with no two before or nothing like that or whatever. But again, you love him, but when you reach a stage in your life now where him have to conduct himself in a way where you can respect him. And again,
Exactly.
him have to move like a man and move like a leader. Right? And I'm listening to you, and you're not asking for perfection. You're not extreme. You're saying that
No.
there's certain fundamental requirements in a relationship where when have picnic now and married. So him have to conduct himself as a man and take charge in certain way where you can look upon him and proud and say, all right, me I hold it done over here, so at least him have that over there so and whatever and thing like. And that is not there. And you're right. If a woman ask her man, if he say, put up the picture upon the wall for me now. And him say, me soon do it. And she said, babe, put up a picture upon the wall for me. And him said, them not tell us me soon do it, man. I want me to, I want me to. All right, do it when you can. And the picture not put up. What the woman I gonna do? She a gonna get her nail and go put up a
Yep.
picture herself. Then the man are gonna
Oh,
come
yeah.
back. Where you gonna put up a picture for me? Not tell us me I gonna put up a picture. But look for when me I tell you if you put up a picture, you know put up a picture. That's why me go do it, me say.
Exactly.
And then him a go there and wanna chat about. You're going like say you're a man in a this and you can't come talk to man. Dog, you never put up the picture. Women love
It's
security.
simple.
Them
Yes.
love reliability.
Exactly.
Them love predictability when it come to you are take care of what you for take care of. If you say you're gonna pick up the pit of them for work at 6 o'clock, be there. That woman will love you and say, that man the reliable, him can get my front anytime. Me not have to complain to him about nothing.
Exactly.
Me not have to ask him nothing. Him take care of when for take care and whatever. When you stay so and all a woman a walk on the road and a man a drive her down in a pretty Benz and him only for chain and thing. And when she look at him and say, him good looking, yes, him smell good and look like him have money. But you see, my man, me say my man, if him say I'm gonna pick up the picnic 6 o'clock, he pick up the picnic 6 o'clock. If I him fi buy the grocery, come in and buy the grocery. I mean, I give my like a piece of man for nothing. Men on the need for understand that. When it comes to
Yes.
relationship, women love security. When security is broken down, we not talk about figure fire gun fear and thing like that. The security involves reliability. Them want to know say you have them back. Right? Of course,
Yes.
it involves attention to and care and them something. The woman want attention. Women love attention. But me say, you have to be a man. You have to be a leader. She have to drop back when she talk to her friend them and say, Al Mikey would even make me look on that in a quick o'clock him run go and take care of that and whatever. Sometimes I can't take him. Me all want to do certain things to myself and him would even love me and what. At them something that woman love. And when woman love you, you get phone till you're full. She feed you every day and all them something. They listen to Master Raga. Talk to you. So right now, your baby father, he's not being a man. He's not being a leader.
Yeah.
And him need to step
Yeah.
up. And he's being entitled. Right? And I'm
Oh,
spoiling. And him need to grow up right now. You understand?
yeah.
That is my
Mm-hmm.
opinion, Panny. Yeah.
I thank you.
But
Thank
listen,
you.
listen now. You see that thing that way you say I go do in the army or whatever. Do what you have to
Yeah.
do, you know. I mean, I tell you if you go mash up your relationship and thing. But again, my suggestion is you do what you have to do. Because you can't make life stop because of him or whatever. And in fact, I am proud of you. That you know, make body and love blind you from taking care of certain thing where you're supposed to take care of if him not dead. But what I'm also hearing from you is that yeah, you have some plans right now and him not in it. And if him not in it, you gonna move on. But at the same time, you love him so much, as still the father of your child and whatever, that if him shape up and come round and whatever, and do, you know, and say, all right, you know, the army and at this your station, me I come over this, I come live over this and find work and thing and whatever. And you may say, all right, do what you want to do. It sounds to me like if him really step up and thing, the thing can build back. Me wrong or me right?
Yeah.
See,
You're very right. If you do field due diligence, I would
yeah,
work with you.
see it there.
Because to be honest, the dating pool out there is ghetto.
No,
It's
no,
very
no,
ghetto.
no, yeah, in a really too, in a really
So
wonderful
me
out
in a
there.
no rush to jump out a frying pan to go jump in a fire and burn up. You understand what me I
You
say? So
see it,
I'll
you see it.
try. I'll try. I'll try. But if him doing due diligence, I always have him back.
Always
You
have him
understand?
hunting. All right. Big up yourself, and thank you for sharing idea. Yeah, you understand? All right.
Yeah, man. No problem. Big up
Bless up,
yourself.
man. Love and protection. Cool.
Ah, cool.
People that is why we struggle with the things. See me, I do the show up on the laptop here and thing and whatever. And it's a nice little reasoning that we hold with the lady, and it have these textures and these hues and these hills and valleys and whatever. But it real, you know. And them something that people are deal without a road. I'm sure many of you who would have listened, we talk for more than an hour and think, if I know the whole story, part of it, you know, is either I go through it or I know somebody who go through it too and whatever and thing like that. And real, right? Them spoil him. Them spoil him. He's spoiled, right? And them, you see, a lot of mothers, you know, in their mind, they're loving their child. But what they call loving her, it's about satisfying their feelings and and relieving their separation anxiety, right? There's a thing called separation anxiety, right? Parents just have mixed feelings when picnic leave the nest, right? Mothers especially, right? And some mothers get it, some don't. And in their mind, they're doing something good when they hear the slightest little thing, them hear them son say. Like, you know, him uncomfortable. That thing they kick in, the mother thing they kick in. Come with me, come stay with me, or whatever. Cause me will make you feel better. But what the mothers are really doing, they're addressing their feelings. They are not looking down the road and saying, if I do this, I make him run, come back under my wing. Every time him I go through a little ups and down and whatever. I am not equipping him to survive in the world. The most important thing a parents must do for their children is to equip them to survive on their own when they're not there. Except some parents do not understand this, and the most important thing they think of is to keep their family together and to keep them picnic under them wing. I mean, I'm not being sexist or misogynistic here, but in particularly with boy picnic, you know, I mean, I know what go on on film side. Here she mentioned the mother. I mean, you know nothing about him father. That is interesting. Because we see some of these things that play out now, you know, where, you know, mothers for different reasons end up after do certain things upon them own and thing and whatever. But the result is that, you know, many of our boys, they're not getting the example, you know, from them father where them need to get her from. It don't even have to be from them father. It can be male role models in their lives. If you say how you be a man, not only be a man, how you be a responsible man, right? How you fi deal with woman in a relationship and all them thing there. Because this boy right here now, he's ill-equipped. Him is not a terrible person. Him just don't know better, like she said, right? Him just don't know better. And the way make people know better, them go out, they gonna make mistake and struggle, and you're dead if you don't. Right? And when they want to run, come back and thing, you say, no, nobody run, come back, you know, stay over there and figure it out. If you need for call me and talk to me, boom. If the thing get really extreme, don't do anything stupid, don't make any bad choices and thing and whatever. But and if it is extreme where you think it's life and death, then yeah, come on. But you can't, your wife, as your wife argue and all them something and you feel like she move like a man or whatever. Yeah, you hear what she say? Men, if you now move like a man, the woman them have to end up and move like a man to you. I don't like this word submit, where a lot of these people use about women for submit and all them things. Me not really like that, right? Me not want a woman submit to me. Me not want you submit to me. Me want you respect me. And me going to conduct myself in a way where that respect will be elicited from you, right? And if you can't show me the respect, which some women, because them have issues, can't do, bye. Me and you know nothing, right? So if you, based on your issues where you can't respect me, me done with you. Because that is fundamental. But me going to conduct myself in a way where you going to respect me. Because me going to be a man for you. If I'm me and you juggle and me and you juggle. You understand? I'm have you like that. Me I defend you left, right, and center. You see me? Alright? But if a man them know juggle the way them for juggle and thing, the man don't know respect them that way there. How many times you hear women say like, don't come tell me about not submitting, but I will submit. How many times you hear women say that? I will submit if you are govern your thing the way you're supposed to govern your thing. If me see you take care of business, if me see you move like a man over there, and thing, and me see say you have me back and whatever, you have the family back and whatever, he's a hard-working man and he's a provider, protector, and a whole thing, and you do what you fi do. Yeah, I'll submit. And that the woman them I say. Because you are to be respected, you hold it. You understand? But if you're not govern your thing the way you're supposed to govern your thing for command and respect from the woman without you even saying it, she give it to you and rate you. After a while, the woman them gonna just get fed up and think, yeah, disrespect I gonna reach you. Disrespect I gonna reach you. If you not pull your weight, your woman are gonna eventually give you disrespect. This different from if them just have fun, Anybody can have fun with anybody, and just like, hey, we're just having fun over here, or this is temporary, or no, we are going to juggle or whatever, this and that. I like him, he make me laugh. I like him can dance. I like him, the sort out turn up. I like him, come go out with him and have fun and right? But this is when it comes to relationship, long term and them something there. Listen to Master Raga. You could have good looking little more. You could have money a little more. Your sort could have turn up a little more. Most women cannot stand there with a man if them don't respect him. I see women all the while have man who are dead over them, give them anything what them want. Right? And women are try to force themselves to be comfortable with the man and like him, man. But because the man a rule certain way where him don't even move like a man, then can't respect him. I see woman struggle with that something there. Have good man and them friend I say, Jesus God, much people that want a man like that or whatever, and the woman I say, understand him just him not move like a man, no. Me not feel safe with him, man, and me not feel secure with And the woman know say he's a good man, you know. And them know say whole heap of man out there dirty, workless, careless, fly by night man, you know. And them know say this man they would devoted to them, but him now moving away for she respect him. Right? So much so that the woman them were all like, yeah, I don't even want him touch me, you know. Yeah, you know, I'm getting some, you know, but you know, and she have to there fake it and make nice what she not feel and all them something there and whatever and thing. And after a while in a situation like that, she gonna be discontented and all end up about him and thing and people will all see her go on with certain things and I say, Ray, you know. Man have to know if you govern them thing, man. And command the respect from whoever you're there with. Yeah? Alright, here we go on. Like up your life. If you watch the thing and you don't like the live, you tap your screen and like the live. That I want. And then two, make sure say you follow me. I want to say big respect to Sonia. Sonia, me say you subscribe to the channel. You subscribe to RAGASHANTI page right yeah, so you know. And thing like that. Big up yourself. I was about 5 subscribers. Well, big up on yourself, you know. All who subscribe and thing, you know. Love and blessings. Alright. Our time I know. Nah, stay too late, you know. I could take a couple more calls before we leave and think. People, me just want to remind you again, like, something I go on from a desktop computer because the camera freeze all the while and thing. So I will figure that out and then come up with a solution there and think. So at the laptop me I work with, that's why I want to see me. A thing set away like this, but a thing I juggle nice. All right, people, what I have to say? Anybody have anything to say about that caller just now? If you have anything to say about that caller just now, all right, the numbers are in my bio. Right, remember the 585 number. You use that number if you're in the United States or Canada. You can dial straight the 585 number in my bio. You use that number if you're in the United States or Canada. Also, the 929 number is if you want to call on WhatsApp, right? So even though that is my business number, that is a number you would call on WhatsApp, you know, in order to come on the show right now and give a contribution, all right? Again, the 585 number is for, yeah, the 585 number is, you know, if you're in the United States or Canada, all right. I want to big up Queen Karen, large up yourself. Mama Bird, big up yourself, you know. Um, okay. Yeah, Mama Bird, big up yourself. Queen Karen and thing. And who else, me see us, you know. Mona. All right, big up all who a gift. Lottie Girl. Mama Bird, Queen Karen, Mona Shers, Keish. Keish, all your names are Keish. Oh, this now Sexy Sulu 21. Sexy Sulu. I wonder if you're really sexy for true. Eh? Shirley Brown, large up. Lizzie Boo. What's up, Lizzie Boo? All right. My goodies. Wait, I will be right there. John, back to the right, yes, so you know. I drop. Say, right, I use this. Yeah, Mr. Who else you know? My goodies. Nick, big up yourself, you know. Vanessa ever bless. And thing, and you don't know Sonia Raymond. Love and blessings, you know. I see you subscribe. Kamar Hart. All right. Sharon Goodas. K Sweetness. Roxy. Tammy. Lacey. Abby. Donnet Bennett. Triffy. I wonder if I might Triffy that. Which Triffy that? Triffy 913, I know a Triffy, you know, but I mean, I wonder if I the Triffy that woman know, you know, me I check after I show, you know. Mr. Cool, I say Shantae, Queen Nats, of course. Big up all who I support the thing large up, you see it? All right. No, me not have no sinus or no asthma. Love me. No, man, anytime I'm doing the show, and you know, I have lights here and stuff and whatever, I don't know, it just kind of free up, you know. Taraji, who this now, Andrea, Gail, Nadea. All right, so the phone line there, if anybody are call in and thing, because if not, a ligaments, yeah. Again, me telling them I have to juggle this thing up on my laptop, Um, Vanessa Everbless, Sweet Keisha. I don't know how sweet on the name and all them something. I don't know woman with sweet on the name. Oh, upon a really sweet, Yeah. Can't no found have sweet on the name on a bitter like Single Bible. Okay. I hope on a really sweet. I don't have sweet on the name on a sulfur bitters. Yeah. All right. Okay, who am I calling now? The numbers are all right then. But I said it. Wait then. My number. Hold on. The WhatsApp number is 929-400-1249. 929-400-1249. 929-400-1249. If you want to call on the WhatsApp and think, sweet piece, look at that. Send me a heart. Nice little cute heart. Thank you. Yeah. But I want to tell you about your blue last in Jamaica. What Lion Paw, what you say right there? What? Tell you about your blue last in Jamaica. You never write that good, right? Either you're not used to phone or you're not used to keyboard. You never write that good Lion Paw, right? You probably have a Lion Paw for true and you can't type. Yeah. What I tell you about your blood clot in Jamaica, what that is supposed to mean, Lion Pa? Eh? How what that supposed to mean? Eh? How what that supposed to mean? I mean, I know I want to go on this side now. All right. Who else I call? Who else I call? Watch it. Some punching and sitting. Yo, what him say? Him mean me for cuss it? Yeah, no, we have to big up the girl and with them panty drop full up. Yeah, I always say that. I have found people, I know this is going to sound weird, but this going to sound weird. Let me tell you from now. Well, the first part not going to sound weird, but the second part going to sound weird. But I stand by. The first part is this. Years ago, I mentioned it recently, but years ago, I realized that the people who spend them time I chat bad about people and did I chat bad about me and I watching me and I pass remarks and negativity. Me realize that them people nothing I want for them. The people who negative people, most negative people, whatever, who spend them time I draw on other people. Usually nothing I want for them, And then fortunately for me, based on certain credentials I have and qualifications and things, it allows me to be in certain circles around certain people who would be considered successful, accomplished, forward moving and things. And I find that these people, them don't spend time. I watch people for tear them down and criticize them and draw them down. Them generally so busy being successful. Them not a time for I worry about you and with foolishness and whatever. So broadly speaking, people who are secure within themselves, people who are balanced, people who are doing well, other people don't bother them, you know. Foolishness and pettiness about other people don't bother them. So you find, say, if somebody a class you up and whatever and this and that and whatever and appear you one bag of attention and live by your name every day. And usually those people, they're seriously wanting in certain areas of their personalities and their lives. So when time people start make criticism about me and whatever, the first thing me do is try to assess like them standing, them bearing. Where is this coming from? And then I will ignore them. Because as me telling you, right? You never see a lion argue with a fly. Worse if it's a ginger fly. Right? Because some fly better than other fly. Right? A man a lion. You know? We're a jaguar around here. Yeah. We're a leopard. We're a tiger. And we don't argue with fly. You make fly, so if the fly is a Miss a lion, go where you ugly like, and if you have a patu and whatever. Okay, fine. Mr. Lion, you stay about your foot back chippy like and whatever. Okay, fine. Leave ginger fly if it make ginger fly do what them want. That is the part you're going to get. The other part you're never get. I stand by it though. With a lot of panties, with a woolly panties, they tend to be stable, intelligent, progressive, and fun to be with. And I like saying you and them who have differences, you know. You can have differences, but even in the differences, they tend to be rational, composed, nice, and whatever. So the enough panty woman them. Now, do not believe that I'm saying if you're there at Jamaica, if you're there and money now run, and you can only afford 2 panty. I am not being elitist. I'm putting down those women, okay? You talk about somebody who, when me a little pitney, me know about having 2 brief and 1 tear up and it. We know about that something there. All right, so me now whatever, you know. I'm just saying, in my limited experience, with me have, and if me there on a woman and see her close her panty drawer and she have to push down the panty, them a good woman that. She not. Listen to me. So, me and that one. You know, see how the chat get busy? Eh? You see how the chat get busy? Oh, I love the arms house now. Oh, I love the arms house. The enough panty woman them, they're cool. They're really nice. And me and that woman attack, I'm go a yard and whatever, me a preps and whatever, and my sister she have enough panty, I'm like, yes, yes. Yo, but you see the woman them, oh, we're not going there. All right, make us see if let me see what this is. Let me see if I can hear if anybody come in and chat. Yeah.
Right away, my boss. Ragashanti. A crocodile. Listen.
What crocodile? May I get a feedback from you, though, you know? All right. Yeah, it sound better now. So we ask people who don't know this man here. You're not going to know a crocodile if you never listen to Ragashanti from Foundation. We talk about when the place the name over Portmore Crocodile. I would have placed the name with Black one again. I would have placed the name again. John no man.
I run a Ken's Are the kids with there?
No, man, it the back of Ken's up next to the hill, man.
Oh, Baka Kens. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
it there like Ken's the on the main, you know. But which part we attack it there up on the hill back
Yeah,
of
and that
Ken's.
one I back. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
People, this a man, you know, a foundation, you know, when RAGASHANTI just a build him thing, and people like them you help Raga build him thing, you know, cause when the man attack, you know, and
Yeah,
the man
man.
a boss, and me fit tell you, hey, you know, say you boss that crocodile?
No.
No,
Yeah,
no.
man. No.
Crocodile from Grandspen in St. Thomas, not Grandspen in Kingston, but Grandspen in St. Thomas. Crocodile,
Yeah.
wagwan.
St. Thomas.
Wagwan,
There,
crocodile.
there, sorry, I got.
Crocodile,
There,
crocodile,
boss, man.
crocodile.
There, man. That's true.
Hold on, crocodile.
Mm-hmm.
You remember when the big mix up the bus at the church, where the pastor, where the deacon a sex off the pastor wife and the war broke out in the church and you go up there and give it life on the radio. You remember that?
Live.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Live. Remember, police are coming, but they have to move, you know, man. Me say if I did know, man, people would have seen the video. Would have the video for sure, Raga.
Them two video them a run them time there, you know, but crocodile give it a mix up the life on the radio, turn over Jamaica, you see me? Give tags. So,
Yeah, man.
so where you say me G, what I go down?
There, you know, man. You know, we are do the TikTok something and I stroll through, though.
See it
Yeah,
there,
me I tell
see it
you.
there,
And from
see
me
it,
see my boss, man, you know. Me have
see
to
it there.
dead there, come, you know, me not stop until me come up in a box, you know, man.
You
So
see it.
for the first time, and we have to start this again, you know.
Ah,
Yeah, me I tell you. Yeah.
good
Yeah,
things,
me I tell
but
you, man. So
but
me there, man. I
joy
listen
for
to the
hear your
thing.
voice, my G. It's
Mm-hmm.
a joy for hear your voice. Trust me,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Yeah. Yo,
Yeah,
and if
man. Yeah,
crocodile,
man.
crocodile,
Yeah.
crocodile. If and I wish by your day, I know.
Yeah.
Which by your day, I know.
A grandson, me still there, man.
All right.
Grandson, me still there.
Here I know, crocodile. My thing up now, you know. So you see, if anybody had trouble you and you can't manage them,
Yeah.
call me, you know, because me,
Yeah.
I rather the good way be man now, you know. And that me I tell you, you know.
Right
So
now.
yeah, a crocodile. Let me tell you what me think there. Just call me because anybody who you need for fix. Me can deal with them through
Yeah.
email. Me can deal with them through WhatsApp, right? Me have
Yeah.
me have PP address my OB, my good OB and thing. You understand what I say, crocodile? All right, so
Yeah.
anybody trouble
Yeah.
you, call me. All right, we can deal with them all over Wi-Fi and all these things or whatever. We think no normal. Okay.
Somebody.
Big up yourself, my brother, man. See it? All right, man.
Yeah.
Crocodile, big
Yeah,
up yourself,
man.
you know. Respect for the heel and thing, you know. Straight blessings. You hear me,
Yeah, the
brother?
schooler, man.
All
The
right, then, man.
schooler, man.
Protection, man. Cool,
Yeah,
cool,
man.
cool.
Yeah, man. Straight, man.
All
Yeah,
right,
man.
cool.
Girl, if you have only bad dress with show.
Yes. Panty draft for full. Large up yourself,
Yeah.
crocodile, all right? Because I know said
All
this
right,
one,
my boss.
I know said this one be the last time you make the link, yeah, so you see me, all right?
No.
All right.
No. All
See
right,
it. Yeah, man, cool. All right, people, we not pressure a thing, you know, in our hours at 9 o'clock now and thing, you know. Me did I go start early and thing, but we don't know levels and things, so we not go too late and sitting, all right. All right, thank you for the patience today because me did I do the thing on the desktop and something wrong with them camera, them a go low. So we have to figure out what go on and check them something there. But respect to the eye them who stay and juggle with me in the evening and thing and see what they are now 9 o'clock and all these things. Want to stay safe. Alright. Oh, fully blessed. Yeah, man, remember the red panty mix up. Remember the red panty mix. Remember the other one that did go again. One, yeah, the youth is like I want the red panty mix up the go again. Somebody remind me about that mix up there. It's like him there with two woman. And No, man, I take the powder this mix up, man. The red panty mix up, man. I remember the G what they did with 2 women, man, and something about the red panty, man. Oh, it was a red rag. Not the red panty. It was a rag. Simona explained it there. It's true. And something about one of them did a beard with a rag or something. Well, I see Simona go tell you now.
Hi, Raga.
What's up, boo boo? What's up?
So it was actually a red rag. We were
Yeah.
both using the same rag.
Yeah.
Yes. But you might not good do a rag a dollar store might that you have.
Toma, you're
When I hear it.
brighty. You're
Oh yeah, come in now.
you're brighty, but the store, man. I'm telling you, if I use my laptop because the desktop did that itch to the about dollar store, Mike. You're out of order, right? Because I bet you say your foot chamber right you know. Send me a number, let me send you money, go get a pedicure because the way you talk, you
No, I
need
would need
it.
Raga. I
Yeah.
would need the money for something else. I did my pedicure yesterday. I'm a panty drawer full. So would I take some seafood boil.
So- Seafood boil thing, the Cajun one though. The Cajun one with the whole heap of
Yeah,
seasoning and whatever.
yeah, but like the combination. I combine all the sauces.
Yes, man.
That's what I
I
like
love it.
mine.
No, me love it, me love it, me love it, me love it, me love it. So tell them seafood boil, they got me weak. May I
Free
tell you.
lobster tail, all of the crab them and the shrimp.
Yeah.
That's it. And the corn and potato. I'm gonna eat the clam and them the something.
But you know, say you know, people love crab legs. Me love crab legs, you know, just because I feel I broke up the whole of them, I broke the whole of me
No,
not,
the snow crab kind of really the on the softer side.
well, probably me need to try that.
So next time try the snow crab.
No, me not like
And
when
you just you can't just hold it and just suck it, right? Just suck it hard, just suck it out. You go take your time first and then you suck it till the flesh come out.
Simone. Simone. Simone.
Yes.
If you want to ask me if I do something, you can just ask me and done it.
No,
No,
I'm
no,
just
well,
for
no,
now.
let me talk, Simone. One of them try to screech you up on me, you know, like to find out something and whatever, and all them thing there and whatever. It nah go work, you know. Right? I have several names. One of them is Raga with the innocent mouth. Right? Right? So I love how you tell me to do something and you just emphasize the suck it. So and I tell me about suck it and just suck it soft. And when you say a while ago, when you start suck it,
No, I was making reference to the crab. I'm being honest.
no, a while ago you say something about and when you suck it first, if you suck it soft when you start. Now something like so you say, well you just I was sweet you. I was
No,
sweet you.
because the seasoning is kind of good. So you gotta take your time and suck off the seasoning first, and then you're gonna crack like the two ends, and then you just go suck it till the flesh come out. And that's the snow crab, very fleshy.
Get till the flesh
And
come out.
and you can try the king crab as well. Raga, I'm talking about the crab. I don't know what you're talking about.
No, 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 no. We're not suck no king crab around here. We put the king crab aside. We
No,
work
no, I
with
was talking about me, Raga. We put the king crab in there. You can have the snow.
well, you can see more your vibes here. You understand the thing. You understand the type of hue. Well, anybody who can remember the red rag mix up, you know, say
Raga, say me I watch your friend you there with Dana Hope used to come on first and then you next.
from Hot 102.
From Hot 102.
Well, I listen, me, not watch me.
Yeah, I was listening. I used to listen.
No, that means say your foundation, because remember the first radio station I started at Jamaica at 102,
Yeah, but me tell you, say you almost make me turn worthless because I couldn't do nothing in my yard. And then it come like I same thing I reach me I know because me have boards coming up soon.
But your board exam will come up soon.
Yes.
I wish you all the best. That what in nursing?
Yes.
Congratulations, and I wish you All the best. You're going to do well. You got this. You got
Yeah, I
this.
know. Thank you so much. And just remember, get the seafood boil. Try the snow crab. You can rest the king crab for now.
Then.
I have a good
Yeah,
day.
man. I have the seafood boil all the time and thing, but me usually leave out the crab legs. But I'm going to follow your advice and try the snow crab, all right?
Yes, yes.
All right, then. Blessings, Simo. You take care, sweetie. Cool. And again, all the best on your boards coming up, okay?
Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Blessings, man. Cool. Right. Love our vibes, you know. You can't see say she a really foundation, you know. She understand the thing. She understand the type of humor we have over here. And you see how she play with the code, you know. She play with she has that rhetorical flexibility that is a signature element of a Ragashanti live show. She has that. She understands it. Double entendre. You say one thing, but you say something else, and people get it and get the humor. You gotta love somebody like that. All right. People big up on yourself. I'm about to make my exit now, but you don't know I'm over here. I do my look show them and thing. All right. So again, before you leave, like the live. Just tap the screen and like the live. We'll never reach 100,000 tonight, but you don't know. At 2 times we'd have to start over because of the problem with the over this. So we're going to figure out that and thing. All right. Also, make sure so you follow me. If you watch me right now, just follow me before you leave. All right. All right. If you watch me right now, just follow me right now. Follow Ragashanti right now. And thing I spread the word to and make people know. Say, I and I over here, so you see me. All right, Mama Bird, big up yourself, you know. Miss Rich is large up, fully blessed, large up. Yeah. Shan, big up. Because rare. So the name go. Is that rare? Nay. Thickers, nay. Thickers, not thickers. Thicker. No, you should have put a Z, you know? Because remember, you know, we Jamaicans and thing, but we know it's as thick as you want to say, you know? Vanessa Everbless, big up yourself. Sweet Quiche, large up the whole work. Sonia Raymond, and you don't know. All right, the Grenada Wonder right there. Lottie girl, big up yourself, you know? Mona and the whole crew. Shirley, you know, Nick, and the whole family and thing, large up on yourself. Abby, Triffy. Again, I want to know if I Triffy that to me. I wonder if I trip with that original Rare Gem Shani, my good friend Rare Gem Shani. Big up yourself, you know. No sir, I love you all. Love and blessings. Nav, let me see you in a bow. Right? And people want big up Navlet new wardrobe because it just a bust them head. So Navlet your new wardrobe just a bust them head. So your outfit just a kill them. So you can't take time with them, Navlet. Navlet, you can't take time with them. All right, blessings, man. I Lego me, I go Lego right now. All right, outer road, man. Straight blessings, cool.